Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a closer look at a cordless vacuum that promises to deliver powerful suction and versatility across all your cleaning needs. The BLACK+DECKER Cordless Vacuum, Stick Vacuum, cordless for hardwood floor and carpet, LED floor lights, bagless, lightweight portable, removable floorhead from the SUMMITSERIES. Now this isn't just another lightweight cordless vacuum. It's designed to tackle both hardwood floors and carpets, with some unique features that could be a game changer for your cleaning routine. Let's dive into what this vacuum brings to the table. This cordless vacuum boasts a brushless motor that delivers the most suction power of any BLACK+DECKER cordless stick vacuum. For those unfamiliar with brushless motors, they're known for their durability and efficiency, providing higher suction power and longer-lasting performance compared to traditional brushed motors. This vacuum doesn't just promise powerful suction on carpets, it's designed to handle a wide range of surfaces, from hard floors to more challenging rugs. When it comes to runtime, this vacuum doesn't leave you high and dry. In stick vac mode, it can run up to 35 minutes on a full charge, and in hand vac mode, you're looking at up to 45 minutes. That's pretty solid for a vacuum in this category. It's more than enough time to clean your entire home in one go, especially in smaller to mid-sized spaces. The vacuum features a removable floor head, which makes it incredibly versatile. You can easily swap it out and add attachments to tackle those hard-to-reach areas. Whether you're cleaning under the couch, reaching the corners of your room, or using the handheld mode for stairs and upholstery, this vacuum has you covered. Plus, the anti-tangle beater bar means you won't be spending your time trying to remove hair from the brush roll. In fact, it's advertised to be up to 99% tangle-free, which is a huge time saver for households with pets or long hair. Speaking of pets, this vacuum comes with an anti-allergen sealed filtration system that captures 99.9% of dust particles. This makes it a solid choice for anyone dealing with allergies or wanting to maintain cleaner air quality in their home. Whether you're cleaning up after pets or just dealing with dust and dander, this system will help reduce allergens in the air. The lightweight design of this vacuum makes it easy to maneuver around your home. You can easily lift it to clean stairs, upholstery, or your car interiors. And when you're done, the vacuum stands upright by itself, so you don't have to lean it against the wall or find a spot to prop it up. This self-standing feature is a nice touch, especially in smaller homes where storage space can be an issue. Additionally, the included wall mount makes it simple to store the vacuum and its accessories, keeping everything neatly organized and easily accessible. Now, let's talk about real-world testing. I put this vacuum to the test on a variety of surfaces. On hardwood floors, it did a great job picking up everything from dust to crumbs. The suction power was consistent and strong, and the LED headlights were surprisingly helpful for illuminating any hidden dirt. Moving to carpets, especially thick ones, I was impressed with how well it lifted embedded dirt and pet hair. The anti-tangle beater bar worked as advertised, and I didn't have to deal with any clogs or frustrating brush roll maintenance. The vacuum is also pretty good on stairs, thanks to the removable floor head. I didn't feel like I was struggling to reach tight spots, and the attachments were easy to swap out for more specialized tasks. Cleaning under furniture wasn't a hassle either, and I was able to get into those tricky spots without too much effort. The noise level is another important factor to consider, and while it's not entirely silent, it's much quieter than other models I've tested, especially during higher power settings. But no vacuum is perfect, and there are a few drawbacks to keep in mind. One is the bin capacity. It's not huge, so you may need to empty it more often, especially if you're tackling larger spaces or have pets. Another minor con is that the filter is washable, but you'll need to clean it every 6 months to maintain optimal suction. That's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you want to keep performance at its peak. In terms of value for money, this vacuum offers solid performance for its price. It's not the cheapest option out there, but for the features and power it offers, it's definitely reasonable. You're getting a vacuum that's versatile, powerful, and easy to use, with some added bonuses like the LED headlights and anti-tangle technology. When compared to other vacuums in the same price range, it stands out with its performance on both hardwood floors and carpets. Some competitors may offer slightly longer battery life, but they often come with less efficient filtration or lower suction power. When comparing it to similar cordless vacuums, like the Dyson V8 or other mid-range models, the BLACK+DECKER stands out with its anti-tangle brush bar and ease of use. It's not quite as powerful as some high-end models, but it's certainly a strong contender in this price range. As for build quality, this vacuum feels solid. The plastic isn't flimsy, and the connections between parts are secure. The dust bin is easy to empty, and the brush roll is simple to clean, which is essential for long-term maintenance. With regular care, this vacuum should last for several years without any issues. In terms of customer support, BLACK+DECKER has a decent reputation, and their website offers helpful resources for maintenance and troubleshooting. While I haven't needed to contact them directly for this review, I've had positive experiences with the brand in the past. If you're someone who needs a reliable cordless vacuum for a variety of cleaning tasks, this model from BLACK+DECKER could be a great fit. It's perfect for homes with mixed flooring, pet owners, or anyone who wants a vacuum that offers both power and versatility without the hassle of tangled brushes. It's easy to store, quiet, and performs well on a range of surfaces. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're interested in this vacuum, you'll find the link to it in the comments box below. Let me know what you think, or share your own experiences if you've tried it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews. Until next time, keep your floors spotless and your vacuums tangle-free.